Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unfog with Dr. Atahar Parveen. This class is the continuation of biology chapter from GPSTR syllabus. The chapter name is Reaching the Age of Adolescence. In the previous class we discussed about adolescence, puberty, primary and secondary sexual characteristics in males and females. Now in this class we will be discussing the difference between endocrine and exocrine glands. Now this topic becomes very important because we may expect a descriptive type 2 to 3 mark question from this part. They may ask as what is the difference between endocrine and exocrine glands. If there are 2 marks for the question, we will have to write 2 points. If there are 3 marks, then we will have to write 3 points. We will also see the different sexual hormones in this class. Now even this may be asked in the form of either a MCQ for 1 mark or as a descriptive type question for 2 to 3 marks. Now what all we saw till now, those characteristics are actually controlled in the adolescence by something called as hormones. So the changes which are occurring at adolescence, they are actually controlled by hormones. Now what are these hormones? They are chemical substances which are secreted by endocrine glands or endocrine system. Now what are these endocrine glands means? They are group of cells which are making these hormones and they will dump these hormones directly into our blood. Okay, so what are endocrine glands means? They are group of cells which are making these hormones, or we use this word secretion. Endocrine glands secrete the hormones and they directly dump those hormones into our blood. Okay, so this all the endocrine glands together we can call it as an endocrine system. Now in boys, puberty is initiated by the release of one hormone called as a testosterone. Okay, these are all important points. They can ask as MCQs. Okay, or they can ask in a descriptive question also. Okay, so what all I am discussing in this class is all very important only. I am not going into broad, deeper topics because that is not needed for you all. For GPSTR level, what is exactly needed, only that I am discussing here. Okay. So we were telling that these endocrine glands, they are secreting a hormone called testosterone during puberty in boys. Okay, the organ which produces this testosterone is testis. Now coming to the physical changes in boys, this hormone is actually making some physical changes in boys. What is that? Growth of facial hair. They can ask as a MCQ. You should know this. Okay. Now coming to girls. What happens in girls? There is a hormone known as estrogen. It is produced by ovaries in females. Okay. So here puberty begins with the production of estrogen by ovaries. Now what does this estrogen do? It is responsible for breast development and growth of milk producing glands. What are these milk producing glands called? They are called mammary glands. Okay, so estrogen is responsible for mammary glands. You should know this. Okay, now the secretion of hormones is actually regulated by one leader gland. That leader gland is pituitary gland. We call it as a master gland also. So this pituitary gland is the head of all the endocrine glands. Actually pituitary gland is also endocrine gland, but it is the one which is regulating all the hormones. Okay. Now when we talk about endocrine glands, we should also know that there is something known as exocrine glands. Now what are these exocrine glands? Means these are those glands which are secreting the substances and they are dumping it into duct or a tube in our body. But endocrine glands, they are directly dumping these hormones into the blood. Okay. So what is the main difference means endocrine glands are secreting hormones. Exocrine glands, they are secreting some substances. They are not hormones. Okay. And they are directly dumping into the blood. Here they are putting it into a duct or a tube. What are the examples for endocrine glands? Pituitary glands, thyroid glands, and all the glands which we are going to discuss in this class. They are actually endocrine glands only. In the syllabus, we don't have exocrine glands for this chapter. Okay. Later on in future classes, I think we will discuss about this also. So what are the examples for exocrine glands? Salivary glands which produce saliva. And this saliva does not mix with the blood. You get my point, right? So this saliva is actually stored in a tube or a duct called salivary duct. Okay. So that is the difference between endocrine gland and exocrine gland. Now let us focus on different type of the hormones. We are talking about sex hormones here because we are talking about the adolescence age, right? So we are going to discuss about the hormones which are playing the important role in that adolescence. Okay. Now what are the sex hormones? Means they are the chemical substances which are actually produced by the sex organs. What are they? In males it is testes, in females it is ovaries, and testes produce testosterone and ovaries produce estrogen. This much is clear, right? So this they can ask as a MCQ. Okay. Now what are the important roles of this testosterone? I already told you that it is increasing the growth of the body, right? And it also increases the muscles. It also develops the body hair. This is found in males. Talking about females, we have estrogen. It is called a female hormone. Okay. It is secreted by ovaries. And we can see there is a development of mammary glands. We can see that there is a growth of female reproductive organs like uterus in females. And this estrogen also controls the menstrual cycle. There is actually another hormone called as progesterone. But that progesterone is actually playing the role during pregnancy. It actually prepares the uterus for pregnancy. So that's why I'm not focusing on this hormone because we are talking about adolescence, right? So progesterone, we can call it as a pregnancy hormone. Okay. But right from the puberty, what is the main hormone secreted in the female body is estrogen. Okay. Now talking about all hormones in our body, as I already told you, we have 2 sex hormones. Of course 3. If you want, we can use the progesterone also. We can add here for females. And the other hormones are growth hormone, thyroxine, insulin, and adrenaline. This growth hormone is actually secreted by this pituitary gland. Thyroxine is secreted by thyroid gland. Insulin is secreted by pancreas. Adrenaline is secreted by adrenal gland. Now all these are endocrine glands, but these are not related to sex hormones. Okay, these are other glands which are endocrine glands only, but they are related to both male and female bodies in terms of growth and other things. Now we have to discuss about pituitary gland, thyroid gland, pancreas and adrenal gland in detail. So that part we will be discussing in the next class. Meanwhile, what you have to do is you have to watch the previous class and including this present class, you have to make notes and note down all the important points from the perspective of multiple choice questions also and descriptive type questions and answers also. Okay. And of course, you need to subscribe to this channel, like our videos if you are liking our work, and also share these among other aspirants who are interested to write GPSTR this time. Because as per the updates coming nowadays, GPSTR may be called for this year only, maybe by the end of this year they are telling. So let us hope for the best, and of course GPSTR will take time for preparation. So please don't wait for notification. Keep on your preparation, especially if you are a PM method aspirant. You need to focus a lot on chemistry and biology also. And if you are a CB method aspirant, you need to focus a lot on maths and physics also. Okay. So please share these videos among your friends and other aspirants and help them also. And of course, I will come to know whether this class is useful to you or no only by the number of likes you are hitting and by your feedback in the comment section. I'll be very happy to see your feedbacks in the comment section, and also will post a next class very soon depending upon the number of likes. Okay. Thank you. All the best. Bye.